Todd's Carpet and Tile Cleaning. Call or text 702-595-0488.
Hi, I'm Stephen Barnett. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of CAN Community Health, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our organization and more specifically about the services we now provide in Las Vegas and surrounding counties and communities, including Pahrump. So, CAN Community Health has been around for 35 years. We started at the very beginning of the HIV and AIDS epidemic. We've been providing HIV care, treatment, prevention, focus on sexually transmitted infections, screening and treatment, as well as hepatitis, which we see in the similar communities. We also offer primary care for anyone that we're seeing for the services we provide. In some of our clinics, we also do primary care for the whole community. Not exclusively so, but we are highly service those in the LGBTQ plus community. And we also offer gender affirming care for those that are interested in that. And that's throughout our organization. So specifically in Las Vegas, we started about a year and a half ago at the request of the Ryan White program, as well as Rob Phoenix, who had built and ran Huntridge Clinic, or Huntridge Family Medicine. We were asked to come out because that clinic had closed due to unforeseen circumstances, and they knew the community needed those services. So they reached out to us because we are in a few states, including Florida, Arizona, now Nevada, Texas, and Virginia and South Carolina, and asked if we would be willing to open this practice back up. So we agreed to do so very quickly and got it up and running within 3 or 4 months. At the time, it was still under the licensing and so forth of Huntridge, but the plan was always to turn it into a CAN Community Health Las Vegas. So we successfully did that a year ago. The doors opened back up, and we now have completely converted over to CAN Community Health so that everything is under our umbrella, including our billing, and all the employees are CAN employees. So we are now fully operational in Las Vegas. Rob Phoenix, as of Monday, June 24th, is no longer with the practice, but there are several providers there now, and we actually have a permanent long-term provider coming in at the beginning of October that's from Las Vegas, and their dream had been to come back and practice in this practice just like it was Huntridge, now CAN Community Health, and their name is Archie Grimley. So they'll be starting in October. Currently we have LaShonda Brown, who is a nurse practitioner with several years of experience. Courtney Sherman is also a doctorate of nurse practitioner that is rotating through as well as myself. I'm a family medicine and HIV specialist provider. We also have Dr. Sinchen, who's been doing HIV care for about 30 years, as well as Mark Moore, who was a provider in Arizona for many, many years in HIV care, STIs, prevention, gender affirming care, and all of us are rotating through to cover to help out until Dr. Grimley is on site, as well as the nurse practitioner who is with us now, LaShonda Brown, so we're helping her. We'll continue to offer all the same services that were offered at Huntridge, both in Las Vegas and in Pahrump.